up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to ceramic coat your brand new vehicle. Now, ceramic coating is a new and advanced way to protect any type of vehicle, and the best time to protect your vehicle with ceramic coating is going to be when your car is brand new. So that's what we got here in the shop. We have a brand new 2022 Audi e-tron GT. Now, this is an amazing all-electric car. Super fast, super comfortable, but the owner wants to protect the car from brand new. So the owner contacted us and said, hey, I want to ceramic coat my vehicle. So we're going to tell you how we did the full service, and we're going to show you how to apply the ceramic coating so you guys can learn professional quality ceramic coating techniques and get the results just like the pros at your home. Now, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. Now, this amazing Audi was brought to us brand new right from the dealership and brought over here to Masterson's Car Care. And what we did to install the ceramic coating first is we went ahead and washed the vehicle. Now, when you're installing any ceramic coating, you want to go ahead and wash the vehicle. So we went ahead and took our Masterson's Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash, and we first prepped the vehicle. Now, when you're installing any ceramic coating, you first want to go ahead and wash the vehicle. Now, you can wash the vehicle with regular shampoo, but for improved results, we highly recommend going with the Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash, because this shampoo is infused with SiO2. That means that this is going to prep the surface so the ceramic coating has the best bond to the surface. So we used our Masterson's G2 Vortex foam cannon. We covered the whole vehicle and gave it a deep, thorough wash. Now, the reason is because we need to take off any type of previous waxes or sealants that were installed at the dealership or at the factory. This one, we noticed had a coat of a sealant or a wax, and we needed to strip it all off. So we gave it a deep wash, cleaned it, brought it in the shop, and then we dried it using premium microfiber towels. Now, the best time to ceramic coat your vehicle is right when it's brand new, because that way your vehicle doesn't have swirl marks and scratches, and oftentimes you can avoid the paint correction process. Now, this vehicle was in immaculate condition, and the owner actually picked it up right from the dealership, so it has no swirl marks, no scratches, and it's saving the owner a lot of time and a lot of money and any extra labor by having to go ahead and polish out those swirl marks and scratches. We're just able to wash it using the Masterson's Evolution Ceramic Auto Wash. Now, right after that, we did give it a clay bar treatment. We did notice that the car had a rough feel on the vehicle, and now it feels extremely smooth. This is just a smooth feeling vehicle. And now we're going to show you how to apply the Masterson's Evolution ceramic coating. Now, when you're choosing a ceramic coating, I like to go with a spray coating. Spray coatings are way easier to apply than a traditional ceramic coating, and they give the durability and protection that your car deserves. So to install a ceramic coating on your brand new car, all you need is the Masterson's Evolution ceramic coating, some applicator pads. We're going to use our microfiber applicator sponges. These are really great. And then I recommend some brand new or premium microfiber towels. When you're ceramic coating a brand new vehicle, I recommend to use brand new everything. So we're using brand new towels, brand new applicator pads, and the Masterson's Evolution ceramic coating. So coming close, guys, I'll show you guys how we install the Evolution ceramic coating. Let's first take the ceramic coating, shake it up, and we're going to use an applicator pad. And I'm going to go ahead and spray the applicator pad with the ceramic coating. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the full applicator pad so we can spread it all over the surface. So we take our applicator pad, and then we're just gently going to stripe out the surface. We're going to give a nice even coverage. Hope you guys can see that. This is an amazing tactical green color, and we want to make sure that it's protected, it stays looking good, and we get the best ceramic coating results on this. Now, ceramic coating is all in the prep, and we did an amazing job prepping the surface. I'm going to go ahead and move this soap out of the way so we can just do this whole hood. Put these microfiber towels right on the hood and the windshield. There we go. And let's go ahead and spread this out. As you see how easy this coating is to spread out, so easy. We're going to apply 2 coats of this over the whole entire car to make sure we get perfectly even coverage. There we go. Look at just how that little few sprays of the ceramic coating, it's done like half the hood, half the front of the vehicle, okay? So after you spread out the ceramic coating cures really fast. So if you guys come in and look, this area of the ceramic coating is clear. It got a little bit hazy. That means that the ceramic coating's bonded to the surface. So let's go ahead and take a short nap microfiber. I like to use the short naps. It just gives good removal of the excess. Check that out, guys. Come in close. Look at how easy that ceramic coating removes. I just love how easy this ceramic coating is to use. This is gonna give a strong barrier shield onto the vehicle. This is a 12-month coating, so it's gonna protect the vehicle for up to 12 months. And if you put multiple coatings on and multiple layers, like 2 or 3 layers, you're gonna get improved longevity on this. We're gonna get probably 24 months of protection on this with 2 coats, and we wash the vehicle on a weekly basis using the MasterSense Evolution Auto Wash, because this is gonna give SiO2 back into the paint, back into the vehicle. But man, already the shine on that is just fantastic. Let's go down to the fender. So easy. And this is why you want to ceramic coat your car when it's brand new, because when you ceramic coat the car when it's brand new, it makes things so easy. You're going to get the best protection on the vehicle. It's going to stay looking good. And man, the shine, I already knew that this ceramic coating was going to be the one for this vehicle. When I heard that this vehicle was a tactical green, I was like, man, that green color is going to look great with the ceramic coating. And the luster is fantastic, and it feels so smooth. I love that. So we're gonna let this cure for a little while. So let's go ahead and move on to some other surfaces right here. I'm gonna take my applicator pad, and the cool thing about the Evolution ceramic spray coating is that this is gonna work on all exterior surfaces. So it's gonna work on the paint, it's gonna work on the headlights, it's gonna work on the glass, it's gonna work on all exterior surfaces, including the plastic, which is really cool. Okay, guys? So let's go ahead and move over to the plastic headlight. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my applicator pad, and then let's just go ahead and just coat the headlight. This makes sure that the headlight is protected against fading and discoloration. Where we live, we're in Southern California, very, very strong sun. And one of the biggest things we notice is yellowing headlights over time. If you coat your headlights right at the beginning when you purchase the vehicle, it's gonna reduce that significantly. And it's gonna make sure that your headlights stay clear for years. So I just put on the headlight, we just wait a few moments. It's curing right now on the surface. Right now it looks like it's cured, so let's go ahead and buff. And so nice, so easy to use. This is just a great product that is fast and easy to use. So one of the coolest parts about a ceramic coating is, like I said earlier, it works on all surfaces. So we're gonna go ahead and actually ceramic coat the glass as well. So on this vehicle, what our plan is to coat the whole vehicle, all the paint, all of the plastic surfaces, and the glass. Now this actual total roof area is glass. It's an amazing glass. So we're gonna go ahead and protect the surface using the MasterSense Evolution ceramic coating. And let me show you guys how to apply it to glass today. So what we did first is we gave it a clay bar treatment on the glass. And now we're gonna take the Evolution ceramic coating and we're gonna go ahead and just apply it in lines. I like to go in just overlapping lines like that. You get the best coverage. And we'll go right into the corner, and that's it. It's so easy to spread the ceramic coating. We'll just put it right here, let it hang out. Put some towels here, put our coating there. There we go. Now I'm just gonna let this sit for a moment, and you guys can actually see it cure on the surface. What it's doing is it's curing, and all the excess is actually sitting on the top. So the full glass is gonna be coated. Anything that's left is the excess, and this coating is designed to auto level, so it's gonna fill in the whole window, make sure that it gets great coverage. I can already tell right now, I've already seen it flash. Any excess left can be removed, so I'm gonna take my microfiber and let's just buff. And look at how easy that buffs. This is the best protection for any new car. The MasterSense Evolution ceramic spray coating, so easy to do, so easy to apply. It's all in the prep, how you prep the surface. We did a great job prepping this vehicle with the MasterSense Evolution Auto Wash, which infused SiO2 into the paint. We also clay barred it before, and that makes the biggest difference in applying the MasterSense Evolution ceramic coating. Now the glass is protected, it looks great, and oh man, that feels fantastic. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply the ceramic coating to the rest of the car, because this tactical green, once it's done and once it's outside, it's gonna look fantastic. Let's put some after pics after we finish this job. The green already on the areas that we did popped amazing, but when you take this outside, when you have a Masterson's Evolution ceramic coating installed, especially on a bright color like this, amazing results, and you're gonna get the fantastic results that you want on your vehicle. So you know you're gonna be protected against water spots, rain, contamination, rail dust, and UV solar rays, especially with the Masterson's Evolution ceramic coating. So now you know how to protect your brand new car. We recommend here at Masterson's Car Care, if you got a brand new car, spend the time and protect it right at the beginning. You're gonna ensure that your car stays looking good for longer, it's gonna be easier to maintain, and you're gonna enjoy that brand new car. There's nothing in the world just like buying a brand new car. And if you bought a brand new car out there, congratulations. And I totally recommend picking up the Masterson's Evolution ceramic coating. And if you want to pick this coating up, go to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Everything from ceramic coating, shampoos, tools, accessories, microfibers, and much more at the best prices guaranteed. Use code YouTube for 10% off, guys. Now I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.